Want to make mysterious, faceless videos that go viral without ever stepping in front of a camera? This quirky Bigfoot cooking clip? Totally AI, no film crew, no expensive software, just a smart workflow using Canva, ChatGPT, and some other AI magic. These kinds of videos are everywhere right now. Creators are getting thousands, sometimes even millions of views really fast, even with brand new channels. Why? Because it's weird, fun, entertaining, and no one can look away. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make videos like this. You could even start your own TikTok or YouTube channel if you wanted to, without ever showing your face. So let me show you exactly how to make one, from script to final edit. Let's get started. To create your story, you have two basic options: write it yourself or have an AI assist you, or combine the two. I chose the last option. Now I'm in ChatGPT and I'm going to create my story. Basically, I gave it this idea. I want to make a story about Bigfoot that I can turn into a video. Can you suggest 5 story ideas with 5 or so scenes each one about 8 seconds long? I want it to be in a style where Bigfoot is acting as a vlogger or YouTube influencer who is enthusiastic but clueless and funny. It gave me these ideas: a survival guide, trying human food, morning routine, reacting to TikToks, and a spa day. Not bad. Then it asked me this. I said yes. Next, it gave me this. So it has created the format for everything, including duration, what is happening, etc. Each individual scene includes the narration, image prompt, camera motions, and more. You could always make changes at any stage if you needed to. But now that I've got all this ready, it's time to go to the next step.
Repeat after me. I am legendary. I am fluffy. I am unseen.
Look who showed up! The gang's all here! Steve the Squirrel, Doris the Owl, and Rick! Rick's new!
I was already inside ImageFX making some pictures when I decided I would try to use this new tool called Flow. So I clicked on the link there, and it's telling me I have to be a subscriber to use it. So I clicked on subscribe, and it went to Google One. Here's the Flow app. It's not free, but if you want to upgrade right now, they're offering a free trial for 1 month, so I signed up for it. Let's check it out. As a member, you get 1,000 credits you can use between Flow and Whisk. So let's go to Flow. I've never used this before, so let's see what it's like. So I'll go in here, click on New Project, and try to make a video. Okay, so I put in my prompt, and let's see what we have here. Here are the settings. This one has audio, so I'll choose that. Next, let's see how this works. Okay, that wasn't too long.
So I invited the squad for dinner, even though none of them can text me back. Typical.
Wow, amazing.
So I invited the squad for dinner, even though none of them can text me back. Typical.
This is crazy. Let's try the other. I like how it's got the weird typing at the bottom. I also like the image here better, but the talking is better on this one, so I'll choose it and download. Notice, if I upscale it, it costs 0 credits, at least today. Yes, please. Let's make the next one. So I've added my prompt, and I'm running my second test. I'll come back when it's done. All right, let's see what it made. All I can say is, this is crazy.
If it glows or talks to you, don't eat it. Learned that yesterday.
Well, maybe I can say something else about this. This is going to be a huge time saver since it deletes a few steps. I am so impressed. Okay, so now that I've got these, I'll continue on in the same way until I get all my mini videos made for this series, and then go to the next step. Okay, I'm in Canva, and it's time to put this all together. So the first thing I'll do is choose YouTube video. You can choose YouTube video or video here. Either way, I'll choose landscape format. Then I'll open up some pages. Once you've gotten that far, the next thing you'll need to do is take the videos you made in Flow and drag them into Canva. I've already added mine, but in case you've never done it, let me show you how. It's easy. So I'll take this one and just drag it in like this. Now it's in my Canva upload section. So that's how you do that. Next, I'll get all my videos and put them down here. Add one video per page if you didn't get them in order. You can always change things around. All you have to do is just drag them like this. They're very easy to move. Alright, I'll put all my videos on their pages. So now I've got all my videos in here. And the good thing about using the flow videos is that I don't have to do the narration separately. And when I upload it in here, there's really not a whole lot of editing as far as cutting things down because most of the videos are correct as this. So it's definitely going to be a major time saver. I've already added my videos and then I added a dissolve between each one of the pages. These are some little pieces I did cut off. I just saved them over there for the time being, but then I can always go back and delete them. Once I'm finished, I'll delete all these. The next thing I'll do is go up here to File, click Download, and choose MP4. If you have a paid account, you can always upscale the quality here. If you use a free account, you can't, but 1080 is still very good. Now I'll click Done and Download. So once this is all done, I will show you the final product in just a minute.
So I invited the squad for dinner, even though none of them can text me back. Typical.
If it glows or talks to you, don't eat it. Learned that yesterday. Pro gear? Nah. Just raid the forest with style.
Don't ask what it is. If it smells edible, it probably is.
Look who showed up. The gang's all here. Steve the squirrel, Doris the owl, and Rick. Rick's new.
Hit that like button or I'll send Rick to your house. Kidding. Maybe. Bigfoot out.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, it really helps the channel. And if you're eager to explore more AI animation techniques, check out this next video right here.